All right, now that you're ready for step number 2, you should have created one addition story and one subtraction story on your own. It's time to add some images to your Google Slides. So the first thing you'll do is you'll go to your Google Drive, go to Shared with Me, and find your folder. So I'm going to go back to the same folder I was in. You'll go to Your Name. And if you open it up under Your Name last time, it should be under Problem Solving. So you don't want to get rid of all the work that you've already put in to the problem solving PowerPoints. So you'll open up the same one, and now it's time to add some images. So problem 1 was addition, and it was about going to an apple orchard. So here's how we're going to add images to this. We'll go to Insert, Image. So Insert, Image. Now, to search for an image, you're going to go to Search, right down here, the last choice, and it's going to allow you to type in a keyword. So that first story problem was about apple trees at the apple orchard. So I think I'm going to type in the words apple tree. Oh, lots of beautiful pictures come up. So I'm going to pick my favorite one. Let's see. Ooh, this one's a really nice one. Double click on that. Now, as you can see, it goes over the words, and it's a little bit bigger than what I want. So see this corner down here, and an arrow appears. You have to be right on top of the box at the one of the corners, either this corner or this corner, and stop when your arrow appears. That looks like that. You'll click and hold down. You have to be holding down, and you can drag it to make it smaller. So just like when you move your fridge magnets on ABC, you click and hold down and then drag it inwards to make it smaller. So watch me again. So when it first showed, it was big like this. So this is what my arrow looks like right now, but when I move it down on top of this box, I see only one line with an arrow on each end. Once the arrow looks like that, I'm going to click, hold down, and drag at the same time while still holding down until I get it the size that I want. See, I can make it a little bit bigger now. So now I have my picture. I have a space for someone to solve it. And my picture is not over the words. So I'll go to my next slide by clicking over here. And this one was about a leaf pile. So I think that I'll go to Insert, Image. No, I don't want apple trees on this one because it's not about apple trees, it's about leaf piles. So I'm going to type in leaf pile. See what comes up. Oh, here are some good pictures of leaf piles. I could also try to type in fall leaves. Oh, and here's some very nice pictures. So I think I'll insert this picture right here. And again, it's huge. It's over my word, so I'm going to click, hold down, and drag in to make it smaller. I want to make sure to leave space for someone else to solve my problem. So I have my picture, I have my words, and I have a space for them to solve. Now, you always want to make sure that your problem has 3 parts. One number, I raked 5 leaves. 3 of the leaves blew away, so that's the action. Either more things are coming or things are going away. And then at the very last thing should be your question. How many leaf piles are left? Alright, so I want you to try to insert an image on each of your slides. If you are having trouble, please go back and watch this video again.